everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix the problem of Instagram messages not showing up. For this, I am going to open up my Instagram. You can also do the same. Tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on this three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on settings option. Tap on notifications. Tap on messages. So you can see that. Scroll down and here you can see an option of from primary and general. So tap on this circle in front of from primary and general option. The first thing is to do this, and this is surely going to solve your problem. But if it hasn't yet, so what you can do is you can go to App Store or Play Store, tap on this search for apps and games option on the top, enter here Instagram, tap on this open or update option that you might get on the top right corner. Since you can see that I have an open option, that means my app is updated. But you can also update it by tapping on update option in the top right corner. And now the next thing that you can do is tap on settings option, scroll down and tap on apps option, tap on manage apps option, tap on the search for apps option and enter your Instagram, and then you have an option of clear data on the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now tap on clear cache option and then tap on OK option. So just by doing it, you have successfully cleared all of the cache related to Instagram. So this is going to help you as well. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.